When it comes to email marketing, one-size-fits-all approaches often fall short of capturing the attention and interest of your audience. In today's digital age, consumers are bombarded with countless emails every day, making it crucial for businesses to find ways to stand out from the crowd. This is where segmentation comes into play, a powerful strategy that allows you to tailor your emails to specific groups of individuals based on their interests, preferences, and behaviors. Segmentation is the key to creating irresistible emails that resonate with your audience on a deeper level. By dividing your email list into smaller segments, you can deliver personalized content that speaks directly to each group's unique needs and desires. Let's explore why segmentation is essential for effective email marketing and how you can unleash its power. Understand your audience. The first step in successful segmentation is gaining a deep understanding of your audience. Take the time to gather data about their demographics, interests, purchase history, and engagement patterns. This information will help you create meaningful segments that reflect different customer profiles or stages in the buyer's journey. Personalize content. Once you have segmented your audience effectively, it's time to craft personalized content for each group. Tailor your subject lines, headlines, and body copy according to their specific interests or pain points. Use emotional objectives such as solve their problems, make them feel special, or help them achieve their goals when describing what readers will get out of opening your emails. Increase open rates. Segmentation allows you to send targeted emails with subject lines that speak directly to each segment's interests or needs, increasing the likelihood of recipients opening them. For example, Segment A, exclusive offer inside. Get 20% off your favorite products. Segment B, discover new trends in their interest, stay ahead. Segment C, their pain point. We have the solution you've been waiting for. Boost click-through rates. By delivering personalized content that resonates with your audience, you can significantly increase click-through rates. Include relevant product recommendations, articles, or resources based on each segment's preferences and behaviors. Use unique rationales such as discover new possibilities, stay ahead of the curve, or unlock hidden benefits to demonstrate what readers will gain from clicking through. Drive conversions. The ultimate goal of email marketing is to drive conversions, whether it's making a purchase, signing up for a service, or filling out a form. Segmentation allows you to send targeted emails with compelling calls to action, CTAs, that align with each group's interests and motivations. Use numbers to give concrete takeaways such as, save 50% today only, or, limited time offer, get yours now. Nurture customer relationships. Segmentation also plays a crucial role in nurturing customer relationships over time. By sending relevant content and offers based on their previous interactions with your brand, you can build trust and loyalty among your audience segments. In conclusion, when it comes to email marketing, one-size-fits-all approaches are no longer effective in capturing the attention of your audience amidst the digital noise. Segmentation allows you to tailor your emails precisely to different groups based on their interests, preferences, and behaviors. By understanding your audience deeply and personalizing content accordingly, you can increase open rates by crafting subject lines that speak directly to each segment's needs or desires. Moreover, delivering targeted content boosts click-through rates by providing valuable resources or product recommendations tailored specifically for each group. Ultimately, segmentation helps drive conversions by sending compelling CTAs aligned with each segment's interests and motivations, resulting in higher conversion rates for your business. So don't settle for generic mass emails that get lost in crowded inboxes. Unleash the power of segmentation for irresistible emails that engage, convert, and nurture your audience. Start segmenting your email list today and witness the significant impact it can have on your email marketing success.